Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Surrealism. Introduction. Surrealism, also known as Superrealism, emerged as a concerted artistic movement in France with the publication of André Breton's Manifesto on Surrealism in 1924. It was a successor to the Dadaist movement, which had arisen in 1916 as a response to the horrors of World War I. Dadaism aimed to create negative art and literature that would challenge and dismantle the societal values of modern bourgeois culture, including rationality and the traditional artistic norms. Key figures of Dadaism included Tristan Tzara, Marcel Duchamp, Man Ray, and Max Ernst. Surrealism's core philosophy. Surrealism, on the other hand, sought to revolt against all restraints of free creativity, rejecting logical reasoning, conventional morality, social norms, and intentional control over the artistic process. Surrealists believed in the power of the unconscious mind and the source of true knowledge and art. They experimented with techniques like automatic writing, which allowed the unconscious mind to guide the writing process, and drew inspiration from dreams, altered states of consciousness, and hallucinations induced naturally or artificially. Surrealism's impact on art forms. The impact of Surrealism extended beyond the core group of Surrealist artists and writers, which included André Breton, Louis Aragon, and Salvador Dali. The movement revolutionized not only literature but also painting, sculpture, and other art forms. Many modern writers embraced surrealist innovations, breaking away from conventional artistic structures to explore free association, fragmented syntax, non-logical and non-chronological narratives, dreamlike sequences, and the juxtaposition of bizarre and shocking images. This influence can be observed in the works of writers like Dylan Thomas, Henry Miller, William Burroughs, and Thomas Pynchon. Decadence movement. Surrealism found a precursor in the decadence movement and continued to inspire later literary developments such as the literature of the absurd, anti-novel, magic realism, and postmodernism. Furthermore, it prompted discussions on the representation of women, as male surrealists often portrayed the female body in distorted or dissected forms. Female surrealists like Unica Jurn and Leonora Carrington also made significant contributions to the movement. Conclusion. In conclusion, Surrealism was a radical and revolutionary artistic movement that challenged the conventions of art and literature, encouraging free creativity and exploration of the unconscious mind. Its influence extended beyond its core members and shaped the works of numerous modern writers. Surrealism's legacy can be traced in various literary movements and continues to be a subject of scholarly interest and artistic exploration. So this was the discussion on the term Surrealism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.